sliding all DMs. So please say me if you want to get the chickens in like 6 weeks. Tassie, Nanza. Who else is there? Tassie, Nanza. Who else? Just two persons of 601. Come on, y'all. Chris Ann, could you please send me a DM, baby girl? Hold on, baby. I'm gonna write your name down so I can like hit your DMs. Who else? Patty, are you sure? Where you from, Patty? You sound like a whole scam. Patty, where you from? How much for 20? What? Alright, let me see what's going on. So I have 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have Tassie, Nanza, Chris and Baby, and Patty. Who else? Muncho, could you send me a DMs, please? Muncho, please send me DMs. Who else? Cancer Baby, could you send me a DMs, please, mama? Thank you. Cancer, baby. I'm taking down all the names so I can hit the DMs. You want chicken candy? Candy, could you please send me a DMs? ASAP, so I could like keep in touch with y'all. So in 6 weeks, when they're ready, they'll be delivered to y'all by any means necessary. So